Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best discount codes is probably one of the most effective ways to save money while shopping online or in physical stores, and in this video, I'll be sharing my top tips and tricks on how to find, use, and maximize the value of these valuable tools, helping you to stretch your budget further and get the most out of your purchases. I will show you how to find the best coupons and promo codes, how to avoid scams, and how to use them effectively to save money on everything from groceries to electronics. Number 5. Bounty Quick Size Paper Towels. Say hello to Bounty Quick Size Paper Towels. It's the smart choice for everyday cleaning, offering more sheets per roll and superior absorbency. Each roll contains more sheets than Bounty Double Plus, meaning you can tackle more messes before needing a new roll. It's efficiency you can count on. These towels are incredibly absorbent, so you'll use less to clean up big and small spills. It's the perfect combination of strength and softness. It picks up messes faster than leading ordinary brands, saving you time and effort. Experience the difference of superior cleaning power. With quick size rolls, you can tear off the perfect size sheet for any mess, big or small. It's convenience and control in one. They're the most awarded paper towel for the past 6 years, based on online media awards. It's a testament to its quality and performance. Why use more when you can use less? It's the smart, efficient way to clean, saving you money and reducing waste. What we like? It's incredibly absorbent and has more sheets per roll than other brands, meaning you use less overall. If you're tired of constantly replacing paper towels, this is the perfect choice for efficient cleaning. You'll save money and reduce waste with its superior absorbency and sheet count. What people say? These towels are incredibly durable and super absorbent, making them perfect for tackling any mess around the house. What sets Bounty apart is its strength, even when wet. Unlike other brands, these towels don't tear or shred when you're scrubbing a tough spot. Plus, the Select a Size feature is a game changer, allowing me to use just the right amount for every task. Great paper towel. I especially like the cut. We can use one perforation at a time, half a towel, which is cost-saving, or utilize more than one for bigger jobs. The absorption is excellent, and we often use it to dry our hands. Number 4. OREO Variety Cookie Snack Pack. This variety pack brings together your favorite cookies. It's the ideal mix for any occasion. With 56 snack-sized packs, it's easy to share these delicious treats. Perfect for parties or on-the-go snacking. Enjoy the rich, creamy taste of classic OREO cookies. They're a timeless favorite for a reason. Experience the same great OREO taste, but with a golden twist. It's a delicious alternative to the original. Indulge in the irresistible chewiness of Chips HOY. Chocolate chip cookies. They're the perfect complement to the Oreos. Savor the smooth, creamy peanut butter filling of Nutter Butter cookies. A delightful change of pace. From school lunches to parties, these cookies are always a welcome treat. They're great for sharing and make any event more enjoyable. The individually wrapped packs keep everything fresh and ready to share. It's the perfect solution for any gathering. What we like? This variety pack offers a delightful mix of classic cookies in perfectly portioned snack packs. If you're looking for a convenient and fun treat for parties, lunches, or any occasion, this is it. The individual packaging keeps them fresh and makes sharing easy. What people say? Variety of Nabisco cookies 2 per pack with total of 56 packs. Neatly packed without broken cookies. Delicious Oreos, chocolate and golden, Chips Ahoy and Nutter Butter cookies. 2 cookies in each package is just right. Perfect sized. Perfectly wrapped. Great for gift bags or just as a take-along snack. Number 3. COMFEE 6-quart Pressure Cooker. This versatile appliance simplifies your cooking. It's 9 appliances in one, saving you space and time in the kitchen. With 12 preset programs, it's incredibly easy to use. Just select your setting and let it do the work. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and more. It's perfect for all your culinary needs. Download our easy-to-follow recipes, designed for busy lifestyles. Find them on the Amazon product page. It features multiple safety mechanisms, including a lid lock and pressure limiting valve, for peace of mind. It's also UL certified. The non-stick inner pot is dishwasher safe and BPA free. Enjoy delicious, healthy meals with minimal cleanup. What we like? It's a versatile kitchen appliance that replaces 9 others. If you're looking for a time-saving and space-saving solution for cooking, this is a great option. Its multiple functions and safety features make it a reliable and convenient choice for busy individuals. What people say. Has 12 preset smart programs for various dishes. Cooks rice and chili fast and easy. Built well, easy to clean, simple to use. Number 2. 2-in-1 mini drone for kids. It's a mini drone that transforms into a toy car. Experience the thrill of racing on the ground and then soaring through the air. Enjoy the best of both worlds. This drone is designed with safety in mind. Propeller guards protect it from damage, and the one-key emergency stop feature adds an extra layer of security. It can perform 360-degree flips and fly at high speeds. Bright LED lights make it visible day or night, adding to the fun. It's simple to operate, even for beginners. One-key takeoff and landing, auto-hovering, and headless mode make flying a breeze. With 3 batteries, it provides up to 17 to 20 minutes of flight time. Kids can enjoy extended playtime and practice their flying skills. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for kids and adults alike, perfect for indoor or outdoor play. What we like? This unique drone transforms from a car to a drone for double the fun. If you're looking for an engaging and safe toy for kids or beginners, this is perfect. Its durable design and easy controls make it ideal for both indoor and outdoor play. What people say. The standout feature of this drone is its dual mode. It can be used as both a flying drone and a ground vehicle, which is a fun twist and adds variety to playtime. Built with kids in mind, the drone is designed to be durable. It can handle a few bumps and crashes, which is important for beginners who might not have the best control initially. Its durability and ease of use make it a good entry-level option for young drone enthusiasts. Number 1. Hanes EcoSmart Fleece Sweatshirt. Experience comfort and sustainability with our new fleece sweatshirt. It's made with a soft cotton blend, perfect for everyday wear. This sweatshirt is not only cozy but also kind to the planet. It's made with recycled materials, reducing its environmental impact. Feel the luxurious softness against your skin. The cotton blend provides warmth and breathability for all-day comfort. Its classic crewneck design offers a timeless look that's perfect for any occasion. It's versatile and easy to style. Get one for yourself or grab an extra for a friend. It's the perfect gift for anyone who appreciates comfort and style. Whether you're lounging at home or running errands, it's the ideal choice for ultimate comfort and style. It's durable enough for everyday use. What we like? It's a soft and comfortable sweatshirt made from an eco-friendly cotton blend. If you're looking for a cozy and sustainable sweatshirt, this is a great choice. Its blend of comfort and eco-consciousness makes it a responsible and enjoyable purchase. What people say. The quality of the sweater is excellent. It's thick and durable. I used it to iron on a design, and it turned out beautifully. The fit is true to size with a little extra room, making it super comfortable. I'm a big, tall woman. I'm 5 feet 10 inches, and I often have to buy men's clothing to fit me. These sweatshirts fit my arms and torso perfectly. I got size 4XL, these are my favorite sweatshirts. I have 2 already in green and blue, and I'm about to buy another one. LOL, they're so comfortable for around the house and are neutral to style however you want for a casual going out. They wash nicely, no shrinkage. Fabric is soft yet sturdy. This is the 5th one of these sweatshirts that I have purchased and are consistently a great buy. They are heavy cotton construction and are roomy, warm, and comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.